Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful 1965 Buick Special. This has the classic look with a modern power plant, so it has an LS1, nice set of billet specialty wheels, and we're gonna break this whole entire vehicle down for you in this video. If you guys like cars like this, be sure to click down below so you guys can see the rest of our inventory. Also, if you enjoy content like this, click like and subscribe. Let's do a guided tour. If you know Bullet Motorsports, you know we love Buicks here. This is a Buick Special, has an LS1, it has metallic silver paint, and I would rate this one an 8 out of 10 in regards to overall quality. The reason for that rating, the 80%, there are scratches on some of the panels. So there's a small scratch on the passenger side quarter, and then a small imperfection on this fender, and just minor blemishes on the interior. This is a really nice driver. It starts up as it should, has really nice wheels on it, and the body panels are very, very fit. So they fit properly, all of your gaps are even, all of your bright work looks good, your Buick insignia up front looks very nice, bumpers are show quality, you have your design right here that looks very nice. Glass is in good condition with no rock chips. Door opens up nicely. Interior, we're gonna go over that later when we do the test drive. Walking down the driver's side, very nice. The paint is shining today because it's 98 degrees here in South Florida. If you want to fly in to take a look at this, you're more than welcome to. We're 5 minutes from the Fort Lauderdale Airport and we can pick you up. Rear sections are very nice, trunk is very nice. We'll open it up for you later on. Rear bumper looks good. You have your special insignia right here. And as I look down the sides, there's no waviness to this one. Let's spin the car around. So what I like to do is jump inside it, turn it on and rotate it. We'll show you the front end, the rear, under the hood and the interior, and take it for a test drive. Interior has been reupholstered. You do have an aftermarket stereo in here too. Just got to find the right key. Starts up easily. It is a fuel injected LS1. This still has a cable style throttle body. Doesn't bang into gear. We'll break down what transmission's inside of it when we put on the lift for you. So if you want to see underside shots, just click on the link below and that'll have a full gallery and underside shots. You have aftermarket odometer gauges throughout, so you have water, oil, and voltage, and we'll go more into details when we show you this interior. Look at how nice that looks. Sounds good too. So passenger side is the same as the driver's side in regards to condition. Body gaps are even. No scratches on this side. All your trim up here is nice. Roof line is very nice and the paint is even. There's no blotchiness in this metallic silver. I love the wheels on this one. What more can I say in regards to the body? A small little dimple right here. Chrome mirrors look good. You do have your air conditioner right here, so you open this up and the air will flow in as you're driving. Just a beautiful piece. Let's look at the front end, rear end, and pop the hood and go inside. Looking at the front end, extremely clean. Your grille looks great. Your Sylvania lights are in excellent condition and they operate. You can see the aluminum radiator peering through the grille. Light markers, or the marker lights, are very nice. And the bumper chrome this is show quality chrome. Just minor scratches which could be polished out, but there's no pitting, etc. Popping the hood, you're greeted by a LS1. This does have a throttle body that's cable driven. It has 862 heads. You have power steering, power brakes, and the engine bay is very detailed. So they painted the intake manifold to match the exterior within reason. All the wiring is very nice. Your grounding wires are nice. You can see all the fuel lines were run properly and through the actual frame, and it looks like they're all AN fittings. You have a huge sway bar up there, cold air intake, and then your computer for this engine is right in the corner. Like the big radiator, that's going to keep it cool. Dual electronic fans. Nice cover here for the radiator that actually has metallic in it and metallic black. Just a nice piece. I like how they did the throttle body with all the billet components, so it's not just some sort of homemade device. Top of the hood is very nice, and the springs are painted to match as well. Closes nicely and it closes evenly. Let's take a look at the rear. Taking a look at the rear end of the 65, very nice. Paint quality is even throughout. I do see a little run in the clear right here, but I'm being very picky because I know a lot of you guys buy these cars sight unseen, so we tell it exactly how it is. Look at our reviews, over 3,000 classic and niche market cars sold. So if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to give us a call at 954-363-2261. When I peer underneath here, which you can see in the gallery, if you click on the link below, it'll have a full underside shots. Extremely clean. Fuel system has been redone, so you have a brand new fuel tank, all new fuel lines, and the suspension has been gone through as well, so you're gonna get proper shims, etc. I'm gonna open up the trunk, which is right on top of the Buick insignia, and you are greeted by a very detailed trunk bay, a car cover, and some additional components. You do have two 10-inch Rockford Fosgate subs, and then just the original components that come with the car. So you have extra taillights, the original air cleaner, etc., from when it was originally a carbureted vehicle. Taking a look at the interior, very nice. Door cards are in nice condition. Windows go up and down nicely, and they look like they are replacement pieces. All the rubbers around the door are very nice. Looks like new carpet. The seats have been reupholstered. You have a aftermarket steering wheel, a aftermarket tack, and then some helper gauges. So you have oil pressure, water, and voltage. Aftermarket Kenwood stereo with 4 Infinity speakers throughout. So you have 6x9s in the rear, and I believe these are 6.5s in the front in these little pods. And then you have 2 10-inch subwoofers that allow you to have the best music sound experience ever. Fixture panels are very clean. Headliner is nice. All the lights are illuminating on the inside. And if you guys are looking for a turnkey cruiser, this would definitely be it. Modern power plant, good looks, good paint, underside to die for. What more can you ask? Let's jump inside it and take it for a ride. All right, let's go for a test drive. That's at 160 degrees. We've got 40 pounds of oil pressure, good voltage. Tachometer's working. Steering is responsive. Stereo works. It sounds good. I'm gonna turn that off. There's a CD in here, so comes with the CD. Actually, I might keep it. That brings back memories. That's like 2004. We're gonna take it for a spin around Ravenswood so you guys can see how it drives, which it drives amazing. Great power delivery. Steering is responsive. You can hit it and the thing just lights the tires up, which that's not what this is built for. This is built to cruise. But if I go, woo! Whoa! Sounds like gunshots.
Oh man.
Oh, I was not expecting that.
That was fun.
It's going through all the gears as it should. Suspension feels good. Whoa. Turn signals are operating on the dash as well. Speedometer, I did not look at it to see if it's working. We're going to find out shortly. Going under the tunnel, so we got to test out the sound. Whoa. Feels good. Speedometer is not operating. Brakes are even. I don't see any smoke coming from the rear. It's a modern drivetrain, so it's not rich or anything. We'll get some really nice outside shots of it driving off. And we'll test if it has posi traction. Once again, if you guys have any questions about this ride, you can give us a call at 954-363-2261. Very smooth over the bumps. You're gonna see the airplane fly over us right now. Actually, you probably won't, but that's how close we are to the airport. So if you want to fly in and take a look at this, you're more than welcome to. 954-363-2261. We'll turn right here. We'll go through the gears. I feel like we're going about 55 miles per hour right now. Oil pressure is great. Water temperature is at 175. Voltage is at 14, so it's charging. That's partial throttle. 4-speed, that's what it feels like. Nice little cruiser. Let's get some outside shots for you. Hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. Have a great day.